current one is that birds aren't real and that birds are just made by the government. Yeah.
Oh, birds aren't real. It's so fun.
Drones.
The drones.
Yeah, and that's what
Yeah, that's
COVID was, is
right.
they had to replace all the batteries.
That's right.
Oh,
So we couldn't
And
be
actually,
outside.
if you listen to the song Rejecting Obliteration, the exact moment where Stace and Stu together yell, I'm rejecting obliteration, is a reference to rejecting the batteries of the birds going out. So, yeah.
I don't think it says I'm rejecting obliteration once in that song, but we'll
We're supposed to go along with it.
just
We always
lock that
had that.
in.
We always had a whole new community of blindfolded fans.